Hello, I'm Dr. Maurie Markman from City of Hope, and I wanted to briefly discuss an interesting paper recently appeared in the Journal of Clinical Oncology, not so much because the results are earth-shattering, in fact, they're quite negative, but rather to highlight and to applaud what the authors have done because they've done what I consider to be a critical trial, a simple trial, a pragmatic trial, to answer a question that has nothing to do with new drugs, nothing to do with, development of novel agents, nothing to do with patents, nothing to do with Nobel Prizes, but everything to do with that patient being seen in front of the doctor today, or some doctors, certainly oncologists. We need to do much more of the trials I'm going to talk about now, and I think they're important to be emphasized. What's the question? Well, here's the trial. Methylphenidate versus placebo for treating fatigue in patients with advanced cancer, randomized, double-blind, multi-center, placebo-controlled trial, as I noted, published in JCO earlier this year. Fatigue is one of the worst, if not possibly the worst, feeling patients with advanced cancer, certainly many patients receiving anti-cancer therapy. We don't have good therapies for it. Think about that. We've been working on this for, 50 years, 60 years, 70 years? We don't answer the question of fatigue, certainly not in the advanced cancer setting. Quality of life, an impact on what people would like to do in the time they have. It was a negative trial, as I said. What do we have for fatigue? Well, there's very limited guidance available. NCCN guidelines say you can consider methylphenidate. Does it work? Does it do anything? Do we give it to patients? Has side effects? Does it help at all? Where's the data? Not very good. We don't have it. This study answered the question. 162 patients, randomized. 77 on placebo, 82 on methylphenidate. Some had to be excluded. 6 weeks trial. Trial actually ended total after 10 weeks of therapy. Evaluation was quality of life scores, well documented, functional assessment of change, illness, therapy, fatigue. That's facet F. Very simple, very pragmatic, very straightforward. No benefit, none of this therapy. The side effects, but no benefit. No point in using the therapy. No point in having it in guidelines. No point in saying you might try it. It doesn't work. Very pragmatic question, very critically important question, answered in a trial like this. We need to do many, many more of these trials to answer questions. Of course, who's going to do them? Who's going to pay for them? No drug company to be involved in this. No sponsor. No cure of cancer. Can you get the NCI to pay for it? Well, I would hope so. How about insurance companies? Well, we have a mechanism for doing this. Obviously, I'm asking important questions. I want to emphasize the quality, the importance of these types of studies, of this study, and the need for more, terms used, pragmatic, answering clinically relevant questions. Oncologists seeing patients every day. We need more of these. And I thank you for your attention.